putting the hydraulic pump pulley back on. One of the bolts was stripped when I took it out. I was able to take it out, but it was pre-stripped, so I don't want to put that back in. What I've done instead is I found another bolt from my collection which is slightly longer. So what I did was I put a washer, and that basically if it's too long, it goes and touches against the actual the pump itself and rubs against that. You don't want that. So I think this will work. So let me quickly check on the torque here. Number 6, even though 25 Newton meters. It says counterhold with this guy. I don't know if it's the right tool, but it will work. So first let me just do it by hand. This is a 25 Newton meters. So yeah, this is tight enough right now. And it spins freely. I'll verify that again once I fully tighten it. What I'm going to do is, let's see here. Which holes can I get this into? There. And counter hole into 25 Newton meters might be a bit of a trick. We'll see. Last time I did this, I propped this up against something. Maybe I'll have to do that again. You know, I don't think I can insert. It's suspicious that. What the heck is going on here? Yep. Yeah, the thing is that this bit isn't that great, so I'm reluctant to haul on it too much. So you know, this is essentially impossible without this holding tool, which I'll use again now to hold something else. Yeah, I need a new set of bits. These are just, the tip is just gotten worn out enough that it feels like it's going to give. It spins freely without any metal to metal rubbing noises. I can see the tip of this poking out ever so slightly, and this head is also a bit further out. Hopefully that, I don't think that interferes with anything here, so I think we're good.